Hello everyone. There's a box with Cotty. Yep, she claims the box. Anytime there's a box, she wants cookies. You can watch her eat cookies before we open this up. So let's open this up. Yeah, you're gonna have to move. Okay. This is from Dallas, Texas. It's a bit of old hardware. I was kind of leery of buying it, but the manufacturer put me at ease on buying an old used one. We've got packing peanuts. I dislike packing peanuts. They should ban those, man. Okay, well, let's make a mess. Right. Hopefully we can do this without making too big of a mess. All right. Now, this is what it is. Oop, there's a power adapter. Nothing else in there. Okay. Yeah, I missed one of these. I wanted the version up above this one. I found one on eBay, and I set my alarm. I had my phone on silent. I missed it, and it sold for $9.99 plus shipping. Urgh. But I got this one. This is an older one, but it'll work. I hope. I hope it works. We got more packing peanuts here. But yeah, this company, so far I've had pretty good experience with them. Most companies, when you buy something from the 90s, they tell you, we can't give you the software, or you have to buy a new one, or you have to pay for a license. This company was awesome. I emailed them. I said, I'm interested in buying this, and I can't find the software online to download. And they're like, yeah, it requires a license, and send us proof of ownership, and we'll transfer the ownership, and you can download the software with the license that it came with when it was new. And it's like, cool. Send them, grab the serial number off the eBay listing, purchased the item, sent them a copy of my purchase. Within 20-30 minutes, I had an email back, said, it's transferred into your name, you can download the software. So, and they let me know that, you know, of course, this is made in like 1998, 1999, and there is no support for it, which I don't expect support for a device this old. You know, she's like, well, lady on the phone, she's like, yeah, I hope you have to have an old computer and stuff to run it. And I'm like, yeah, I've got CNC machines and old programmers that require DOS. So, I've got old PCs. So this is what it is. It is a Cami CableEye. And I just hope they sent me the same one that was in the listing, because that's the serial number I registered. 704. So I will be taking this apart, because I haven't found no teardowns of this. Oh, Cotty, she's supervising. What'd I do wrong? Not let you rub it? Did you want a cookie? Do you need payment? Yeah, she's got to earn her wage. Here you go. She always likes her cookies. Okay. So these came without the connector boards, but the connector boards on the used market, they're fairly reasonable. So make sure that's nothing rattling. So yeah, they're fairly reasonable. So I picked up a set that I need because for the Miller boards, I had some cables done up with the connectors of my specification and 200° C cable. So I have almost 1,000 of those to test. So I found these already arrived. I don't think I'll post the unboxing later maybe, but I'll post the link to this, to my blog post on this in the description. I have already drawn up this footprint for this board. So I just wanted to so that one fits. Yeah, these boards are extra thick. They're like, you turn on a caliber here. They're pretty good quality. What's that? 2.45 millimeter? 2.5 millimeter? 2.53? They're pretty thick boards. Okay. So let's just pull a cable out. So you would put your cable in here. And this one just tests continuity and pin shorts. Just pretty basic. What's the voltage on this thing? 9 volt. That looks pretty swollen. I'll attempt it. I will attempt it. Power. Let's power this up. Yeah, this will come in handy for doing other things. Uh-oh. I don't see no power activity. That's not good. If this don't work, so I'll have to check the power supply. But 9 volt. Maybe the power supply. The power supply looks a little swollen on the edge, but I don't see no life. Oop, there it is. It's got life right there. Okay. That's getting me worried. Cottage, you knew. Yes. Okay. Let's throw these boards back in. I already have the software installed on the PC. Sometimes I get a little ahead of myself and don't look. Let's hook this up to a serial port. I think I'm prepared this time. Yeah, the software installed on Windows 10. You didn't have to use compatibility mode or anything. Uh-oh. We need a different serial cable. Unless it plugs into this side. Let's try that. Probably error out on me. Yep, we're gonna have to get a different serial cable. Darn. Do I have one? If not, I'll have to make another video. I'm not prepared. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hunt down a another serial cable. Oh well. At least the power's up. I'm not sure if any of these other lights are supposed to come on or not. But I'll do a teardown of this to show you all what's inside. So let's give Cotty cookies and I'll have to hunt down another serial cable. I know I have one. I've got serial cables and gender changers and I'll get it going. So we'll catch y'all later. This is a Cami CableEye M2. Teardown probably soon.